Let's see what's going on Facebook today. Oh my god. Blue screen of death. Great. Guess I'm gonna have to see what Geek Squad can do for me. $300 for in-home service? That's ridiculous. Oh my god, didn't I get that business card? JPP computers. Okay, let's see what JPP charges for in-house. 25 to 120. Sounds good to me. 862-345-6317.
Hello?
Hi, is this Jeremy?
Yes, it is, miss. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm calling because I just got a blue screen of death on my computer and I really hope you can help me. I looked at Geek Squad's website and they want to charge me $300 just to come and fix my computer. Can you do anything better for me?
That's outrageous. I can't believe they want to charge you that much. I'll definitely help you out a lot better than they are. I'm actually just finishing up a project right now. I could come over after I'm done with it.
Great.
What is your address? And your phone number? Alright, give me about 30 minutes and I'll be right over. Hello, Miss. I'm Jeremy from JPP Computers.
Nice to meet you. I'm so glad you're here.
Nice to meet you too.
So this is what popped up.
Let me take a look here. Let me see what I can do. I can't believe Geek Squad is about to charge you $300 for this. This is a couple clicks for me. Alright, miss, I got you all back on Facebook. It was just a virus. I was able to clean it up in the 40 minutes I've been here, so...
Thank you so much. You were such a lifesaver.